Did I give you the impression that on my side everything is always fine and always sunny? It's not true. It's Friday evening and we just want to relax and to have a nice day, nice weather outside, and we just go outside and sit on the terrace. Let's see what waits for us. We stretched our legs, the dandelions are blooming. It's so romantic. And we are so damn lucky that we are obviously not alone.
It is 7:30, and this is our favorite neighbor who started our little noise competition.
But we neighbors don't want to give up so quickly. So let's have a look at this brave supporter.
Oh my God, with his small lawnmower, he's completely ineffective. You can forget that. But attention, look what's coming now around the corner. But we are definitely not ready to lose this battle.
But the absolute winner is Ralph with his Jekyll and Hyde exhaust system. The star of the evening is a bit shy and does not want to accept his award ceremony. So cheers, dear neighbors! Today we have in our glass something dark, intense, strong and smoky. A perfect fit to Ralph's motorbike exhaust. Lagavulin, 16 years old. My suggestion for you for situations like this.